Have you ever had your favorite toy disappear and you couldn't find it? Are you curious how Mickey and friends use Mouseketools to get it back? In the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey and Pluto were happily playing fetch. Pluto eagerly chased his favorite red disc. The disc flew right out the clubhouse window, then landed deep down in a hole. Pluto barked sadly, very upset. "Oh no, Pluto's disc!" Mickey Mouse said, peering into the hole. "It's too deep. I can't reach it," Pluto whimpered, clearly missing his disc. Mickey gently petted Pluto, thinking how to help. Minnie Mouse arrived. "I'm seeing Mickey and Pluto looking sad. What's going on? Friends?" she asked. Mickey explained about the lost disc. Minnie looked down into the deep hole, feeling worried. This is a big problem," Minnie said. "We definitely need some help from Mouseketools." "Mickey Mouse goes eyes," Mickey Mouse shouted loudly. "Oh, Toodles, we need some special Mouseketools now." Toodles appeared on the screen, bringing 3 helpful Mouseketools: a fishing net, a bouncy spring, and a strong magnet. "Thanks, Toodles," Mickey said. "Now, let's try each one to find the disc." Goofy rushed over, very excited. "Hey, yuck, I'll use the fishing net." Goofy tried to lower the net into the hole. The net was too short. Goofy could only reach a little bit. "Gosh, it's not long enough," he sighed. Donald Duck waddled over, looking into the hole.
Donald, honestly.
"You're not smart enough to get it," Donald quacked. Minnie took the bouncy spring. "Perhaps we can use the spring to bounce the disc up," she suggested. Mickey attached the disc to the spring. "Great idea." Minnie carefully lowered the spring into the hole. Boing! The spring bounced, but the disc didn't jump out. It stayed right at the bottom. "Still not working," Donald grumbled. "Pluto's disc will be stuck forever down there." Daisy Duck arrived,
What's he
seeing
doing?
everyone trying hard.
I wonder.
"What's going on?" To everyone, Minnie explained about the lost disc and the tools they had tried. Daisy looked at the magnet.
This
"Pluto's
magnet is the
disc
key to
isn't
getting
metal,"
the treasure out of the hole.
Daisy
see?
said. "But maybe the magnet can pull something else up?" Mickey looked into the hole, then at the magnet. "That's right, Pluto's collar has metal." Mickey tied the rope to the magnet. "Here we go. The magnet can pull up Pluto's collar." Minnie carefully lowered the magnet
Almost there,
into the
Minnie.
hole.
I can't
It
look.
hovered
Just a
close
little
to
bit
the
more.
disc. Donald, Goofy, Daisy, and Mickey held their breath, watching. The magnet slowly pulled the disc up. "It's coming up," Daisy cheered. The red disc was slowly lifted out of the hole. Pluto barked excitedly, wagging his tail furiously as his favorite red disc returned. "Hooray!" Everyone cheered happily. "We rescued Pluto's disc." Donald looked surprised. "That's amazing. We used Mouseketools to solve the problem." Mickey grinned widely. "We didn't give up, and we used the right Mouseketool in the end." Minnie nodded. "Whenever you face a problem, think about which Mouseketools can help you." Everyone did the fun hot dog dance together. Pluto wagged his tail along to the cheerful music. So, little friends, remember, when you have a problem, think about your Mouseketools. Be persistent and find the right way. Did you know that thinking creatively and trying different tools can help you solve any challenge? Discover that today.